start with this problem. Probably some of you would have done it. I think Ranjit and all has done it in the class, right? Ranjit and Sohit, when they came to the class, we were doing this problem also.
Yes, ma'am.
Please write down this question. So, students have already attended the class. I mean, 9 students, please excuse me. It's very important topic from the examination point of view. That is why I would like to highlight it again. Once more missed it, please. I'm repeating it for you alone. So please ensure that you do it. It was done on the day before your IIT.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Please take down the question. Have you all got your calculators?
Yes,
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 ma'am.
ma'am.
Or calculators in Boston?
No, ma'am. With husband.
So Sohe, Purnima, Vaishnavi. Dakshit, Darshan, Naveen.
Next ಜಿಂದಗಿ ಪಡೆಯದ ಯಾವ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ ಇದೇ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಆದ್ರೆ ರೊಕ್ಕ ಏಟದ ತಗೊಂಡು ಟಿವಿಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅವ್ರ ಏನೋ ವೆಬ್ಸೈಟ್ ಇರ್ತಲ್ಲ.
Have you taken down the question?
Yes, ma'am.
See, what does this question represent? Please note here. This is reload in kg. This is the average daily traffic. This is nothing but 215. So what does it mean? On an average a day, please note this number is slightly a hypothetical one because you know that in our case, you will cross this number, right? So this is just, please don't take it in literal sense. So this is nothing but a number that is representing average daily traffic. Percentage of total traffic volume. This means 2268. See, 13.17% of 215 is 2268 kg. 15.3% 722. 11.76 is nothing but 3175. And 14.11% is 369. 6.21% of 215 is 4082. 4536 is nothing but 5.8. Now you are asked to find out the design repetition 20-year period for various wheel loads equivalent to 2268 kg. Yeah, so this is for daily traffic. How much you are asked to find out? Design repetition 20 years. So that means 20 is 365. Okay. So this is what you are asked to find. Are you clear with the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, in order to do this, you are supposed to make a tabular column. So I can see that some of the students after joining the left. Who are the students who are left? Okay. Now, please note, this is a program on EWLF. You have to make a tabular column. Please make a tabular column of this format. This is your V load in kg. This is your, these three are the question itself. Okay. Please look here. Please look here, all of you. Please look onto the screen.
Yes, ma'am.
See, this is nothing but column number 3. This is column number 3. This is column number 2. This is column number 1. Now, what is this column? Fourth column. This is nothing but column number 3. This is column number 3 by 100 into 2. Am I right? You will get what is
Yes, ma'am.
what will be the ADT in each magnitude of load you will come to know. Are you understanding? See?
Yes, ma'am. ADT per day.
17 by 100 into 215. will give you what exactly is this value. Okay. Now,
Yes, ma'am.
what is column number 4? This column is nothing but, so this is per day. Am I right? This is average daily traffic. So that into 365 into 20 will give you what? The traffic that is there for the 20-year
Year.
period. It will give you the traffic that is there for the 20-year period.
20 years.
What is EWLF? This is nothing but what exactly you have seen in the first. See, this is the value that you have seen, 2268, 2722, the same value you have put here. Please note, so here you can see it is in the same order, that is why you are having it like that. And now, this column, this is nothing but your column number 6. Your column number 6, this is going to be your
Oh, ma'am, that one is 7.
That one is 7, ma'am. EWLF.
yes, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so this is 6.
It's 7.
So this is your 7th and this is your 8th column. Okay, so are you able to understand this? And now finally 6 into 7 you have to find out. Is it clear? Have you understood now how do you get the value for this 8th column? Now I have told you the procedure. Please all of you try to do it on your own. Please try to do it on your own for all the values of load. I'm just going back to the previous screen. You will not be able to just like that copy it. Please all of you do that. Any doubt? Any doubt?
No,
Doing.
ma'am.
Yeah.
Doing, ma'am.
Yeah. Yes.
For the 7th and 8th column, what we should do, ma'am? Like
1 minute.
operation?
1 minute. See, 7th column is nothing but a constant value. Okay.
Okay, okay.
So this is a constant value. If you want, you can just note down this value 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Because it is in the same order. Please note, in the exam, what they generally do is, see, they will eliminate one number randomly. See, 3, 6, 2, 9, they may eliminate 4, 5, 3, 6, they may eliminate. So the order. Okay. And final column is nothing but 8th column is nothing but the product of all. Please note, you don't have to find out all these numbers. I only calculator, you can just like that multiply all and get me the 8th column. You don't, because I did it in Excel, that's why I have copied all the things. You can just like that do it, multiply the entire thing.
Okay, ma'am.
Upsar is here. Abhishek? Abhishek, are you here? Abhishek? Resolve?
ಇದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅದ ಇದು ಹೆಂಡತಿಗೆ ಗಂಡ ಹೆಂಡತಿ ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ತಾವ ಹೆಂಡತಿ ಬಂದಿನ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಇಬ್ಬರು ಅವನಿಗೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೋಗಿ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ತರಕಿ
Bharat is here. Chandrasekhar.
Yes, ma'am. Dear ma'am.
Chandrasekhar is here. What's your name? I'm not able to see you.
Ma'am,
So,
I am here.
this is Chandrasekhar. Chandru.
Ah, yes, ma'am. I am, ma'am.
Okay. Gautam. Who is playing there? Pragya is here.
Yes, ma'am.
Pragya is here.
Yes, ma'am.
But I'm not able to see your number here.
Hello.
But your name is not seen here, Pragya. Please don't make noise.
Ma'am, my name
I'm taking attendance.
Bhumika.
Bhumika is not there, no? Where is Bhumika? I didn't see Bhumika. Bhumika, now you have come up, knowing that I'm taking your attendance.
No, ma'am.
One has informed, ma'am.
Ma'am, even mine.
When I'm taking attendance, you don't have to come. Bhumika. Huh? So she immediately left, I think. Huh?
Ma'am, even my name, ma'am.
No,
Rakshit is here.
Ma'am, present, ma'am.
Where is Rakshit?
I'm present, ma'am.
I'm not able to see your name.
It's Rakshit only, ma'am. Just Rakshit.
Huh? Your name is
It's
not
Rakshit, ma'am.
Rakshit, your name is not here.
Ma'am, it is there, ma'am.
What's your name?
It's Rakshit only, ma'am. In the list also, it's Rakshit only.
But I'm not able. Okay, Rakshit is here. Yes. Ranjit is here. Rudresh is here. Rohit.
Yes.
Sachin.
Yes, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Where is Sachin?
Present, ma'am.
What's your name? What's your name?
Sparrow.
Sparrow.
Yes, ma'am.
Sambat is not there, right?
Present, ma'am.
Where is Sambata? Huh? Where is Sambat? What is Sambat's name?
Ma'am, hello.
What is your name here?
Ma'am, 1 plus 7, ma'am.
Your name is not there here, Sambat. Okay.
Ma'am,
1 plus, sir.
ma'am, now I'll, ma'am, now,
Show me your face.
hello, ma'am.
1 minute.
Is there, ma'am?
Hello, ma'am. Hello.
Yeah, just a minute. Pandit is here. Anand. Shalini KV.
Yes, ma'am.
Shalini KV.
Present, ma'am.
Sister, Shalini KV is there.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
What's your name?
Shalini KV only, ma'am.
Yeah, Shalini KV. Shashank Reddy is not there, right? Shravan Kumar. Where is Shravan Kumar? Syed is not there today? Syed? Syed. Anita? Anita is not there today?
Is there, ma'am?
Okay, then. Anita is this one, Bond 16 CV. Vishwanath? Brinda? Brinda is there? Ayyappa? Mustafa? Nageshan? Naveen is there? Shivraj?
Ma'am, Mithun, ma'am.
Mithun is there? Okay.
Ma'am, Sudhakar, ma'am.
Yeah, Sudhakar, Shivraj.
Vaishnavi, ma'am.
Yeah, Shivraj.
Present, ma'am.
Vaishnavi is there, Sudhakar is there, Shivraj is there? No.
Sudhakar is
Ma'am,
present, ma'am.
Darshan.
Sudhakar is there, Naveen is there, Shivraj. Jidesh,
Ma'am, Darshan.
Darshan is not. Venkatesh and Vijay.
Hello.
Yeah. Have you all completed the problem?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
What is tally you got?
192200.
You have to find out the sum.
768989450.
Have you all got what is shown in the screen?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So this is the value which is for a 4-lane road. So to get it for a single lane, what you have to do? Because
Divided by 4.
4-lane road. So per lane, if you want to calculate, it has to be divided by 4. But is going to be divided by.
4.
Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. 192266 360.
1922362.
Yeah. Now please note here, so this is a topic that I wanted to cover for the day. Start with the next topic also. Okay. Now please listen, because by the next topic, I think the syllabus, whatever we have completed in the class will be almost completed. So that's why. Just I will start with it. Please note. So this is your syllabus. Are you able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
So in your syllabus, you have to the first part. Now flexibility, assumptions, all these things are coming continuously being done. Now we will go on with the next one, which is nothing but called as the Kansas method. Okay, we will deal with something called as Kansas method now. Now, what do you mean by this Kansas method? Please listen. Yeah. So, please note,
Triaxial method.
it is also called as a triaxial method. Please listen. Listen here. So, L.A. Palmer and Barber, it's very, very important from the examination point of view. Please keep noting down in your notes also if required. So, Palmer and Barber in 1910, he proposed a method of payment design based on Boussinesq equation for a single elastic layer. Okay, we all know that Boussinesq equation is basically meant for a single layer. So here he tried to propose an empirical equation. So I will not say purely it is an empirical. I can say that it is a semi-empirical equation because he is trying to use the value from the triaxial test to design a pavement. Are you able to hear me clearly?
Its voice is breaking, ma'am.
Yeah. Are you able to hear me clearly now? Are you able to hear me?
No, ma'am.
no, ma'am.
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am, your voice is breaking, ma'am.
Voice is breaking? Just a
Yes,
minute.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now are you able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Now please look here. Now please look here. So Palmer and Barber, are you able to see this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So Palmer and Barber, he proposed a method for pavement design based upon the triaxial test results. So they proposed an equation which is given by 3p divided by 2p delta the whole squared minus a squared is equal to thickness of pavement. Okay. Now this equation, actually you can derive this equation because this is based upon your Boussinesq equation. Probably in your applied geotechnical engineering you have studied this. So from that equation, based upon rearranging the equation, and now what is P? The V load in kilogram, E is the modulus of elasticity, A is the contact radius, and delta is the deflection given by 0.25 centimeter. Are you able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Now tell me, what is the input from triaxial method? What exactly? We are going to test triaxial method. The thing is like, in the triaxial method, we generally have a tendency to graph, right? So, for example, see, in triaxial method, if you look into it, you generally have a graph between epsilon. Am I right? Are you able to see what I'm drawing on the side? You will be,
Yes, ma'am.
you will be getting a graph of this. Am I right? For different confining pressures. Now you take the slope of this. You get the value for E. So this value of E they are using in this equation. This value of E, hello?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
This value of E is what exactly they have used in the equation. Hence they name this as triaxial method. Is it clear? So what is the V load?
Yes.
E is modulus of elasticity, A is the contact radius, and delta is deflection. But our method is not called as triaxial method, right? Our method is called as a Kansas method. So in Kansas method, what they have tried to do is, they try to modify this equation by saying that it is a two-layered concept, and they modify the above equation by using two terms x and y, where x is nothing but called as traffic coefficient. X is called as a traffic coefficient, y is called as a rainfall or saturation coefficient, and they also introduce something called as a stiffness factor, which is given by ES by EP. What is ES? ES is nothing but E of the subgrade, and EP is that of the surface layer, and the equation is given by T is equal to 3p xy divided by 2p into delta the whole square minus a square the whole into ES by EP raised to 1. The Kansas, that is why this method is also called as Kansas method. So we call this as Kansas method since they proposed all these modifications. Now, they also propose that T1 by T2, in any case, thickness of a pavement layer is such a way that it is inversely proportional to the third root of its modulus of elasticity. T1 by T2 is equal to T2 T1 raised to 1 by 3. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
It's very, very important from the exam point of view also. Repeated asking problems on this. So please note up to here. So tomorrow's class, we will try to work out a problem on this. So what I will do now is, I'll clear my drawings. Please all of you take down these slides. Please all of you take down this equation in your notebook. Quickly, please take down because our time is also getting.
Hello.
Hello?
Ma'am?
Yeah, have you taken down the equation?
Ma'am, you haven't called out my name, ma'am.
Mr. Syed. Who is
No, ma'am, Darshan.
Darshan?
Darshan. Yes, ma'am.
Darshan, I marked your attendance.
Ma'am, even mine.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Purnima.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I have done it. Anyway, please note down this equation. I'm closing the session now. Okay, because time this one. So, what I will do is like, I will share this video. Please try to go through it. Tomorrow we'll straight away start with the problem on this. Okay. And I will be uploading just 5 questions, 4 or 5 questions based on today's class. Please answer it before 4 o'clock itself. Don't wait for my reminders. Is it clear? Yes?
Ma'am, your voice is
Voice
breaking.
is breaking.
I will be uploading so 4 questions in Google form. Please answer those questions. Is it clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Just 4 questions.
Yes, ma'am.
Now itself, please don't sign off. I will be upload because I have to prepare the question. Just take 5 minutes, not even 5 minutes it will take. It will be just objective question. Okay? Please go to it and answer it now itself. Don't wait for my reminders.
Okay, ma'am.
Put a message, please respond to it.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? Either yes, thumbs up, something. If you look into it from yesterday, I'm putting lots of messages, no response. Is it clear? So I am ending the session. Okay, so some
Yes, ma'am.
your attendance, please. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for joining me.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.